Hey, what's up? So, you want to be a drifter? You want to look cool with all your friends, right? Me too. So I'm going to teach you the #1 thing that you need to get on your car in order to fit in with all your drifting pals. Adds 20% horsepower, which roughly equals 20%, like 3 horsepower, 3 PS, wherever you are. Like 30 style points, and you get like an invitation to every stylish drift event, and you probably get sponsors too. I've seen a lot of people with this mod that they get sponsored, you know, by just doing the simple mod. So what I present to you guys is the banner mod, right? Very affordable, insane amounts of upgrade power. You know, you get all kinds of amazing benefits, and yeah, like definitely the greatest thing you could do to your drift car. You know, you don't want to pull up to the track and not have this mod, because you won't get any respect. And you could ask any of the top drifters, they all got them. Fun fact. So take my word for it. Get yourself a banner mod. You know, the best thing to happen to drifting since Underglow. Yeah, so let me show you how to install it. Very difficult. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a Dremel. Let's get to it. Fuck.
We can't get it straight.
So
this is a lot harder than I thought.
This banner mod might be a little difficult.
This is a 5-star. This is a 5 wrench.
It's a 5-star light.
5-star difficulty mod.
5-star light difficulty. But yeah, so we're trying to get this this cool little Starlight banner on the back of my car. You know, because style points, baby. That's what we're here for. Can't drift, but you got style points, you know. So me and Chris are about to try and take this on. Stay tuned. So we don't know what we're doing, but Chris he has some experience doing this, so he's gonna take the lead. All right, Chris, let's get to it. So what do you want me to do?
Just fucking full send it.
Okay, this is what we should do. Like you just said, full send. I'm gonna just peel this back right here.
Like halfway?
And then yeah, and then I'm gonna just.
You want me to hold that side?
Yeah. You just hold that.
Oh no.
So this is the sketch part. Yeah. You're holding on, right?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
You want me to pull this over here? Just like kind of flatten it out.
Yeah, that would help. Pull a little bit more back. Like almost to the halfway mark of that little tape. Just so I have
Make sure you don't pull it too much so this shit don't come off.
You holding on right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just put this side down a little bit. Hold on.
You want this? My black card? Don't let the viewers see, because then my bank account's about to fucking go. Damn, Chris, you really know what you're doing. You look like you almost worked at a. Well, you got an air bubble?
You spoke too soon.
You got an air bubble?
Oh no.
Oh, what is that?
No. I think we're good.
What is that?
I think we're good.
I'm gonna pull it more?
Yeah.
I'll keep pulling.
Slowly. Just hold on. Because you gotta keep. Okay. Now, undo the tape since we're this far. Undo the tape.
You sure?
And you just keep tension.
I think we keep going.
Just leave it?
Yeah. We'll just keep fishing it like that. Make sure you get the stars, because those shit will come right the fuck off. Oh, my heart beating so fast. This banner mod is real expensive.
shits are on. Hold on.
Take off the tape.
I'm pretty sure this is like so shitty.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure like this is the shittiest like way you're supposed to do it. I don't know. The letters look straight for the most part. I mean, they look good. Feels smooth. There's no air bubbles.
Ah, Chris, don't scare me.
Nah, it looks good to me.
Hold on, let me get rid of
But I don't know.
Man, I can't get rid of this fucking thing. Come on, Chris. Oh.
I just want to get those letters. Little ones.
So just pull it.
Yeah, just gently. Yeah, just like down, like that. Yeah. Yeah. So one hand hold this like the normal one, like the full thing,
Yeah.
and then the other one just slightly pull.
Yeah.
Pull like flat, if that makes sense. You know. Slow down. Oh.
So Chris did all of it. I'm just pretending like I did some. Just get in the last corner because how am I gonna do this? Just fucking drop the whole thing and dart down
No, you gotta do it like the whole follow through, but like gently, you know?
like this?
Yeah, like gently. There you go. Follow through, smooth. One cut all the way down, smooth. Like it's constant down, slide. Yeah.
So Chris is out here now. Taking out the sticky. Oh. You need help? Let me put it on that side. Please.
That's gonna come off right now, so don't get startled. Oh, never mind. It's still caught on me. That was a little skip.
A little bump.
Fucking clean. That looks fucking clean to me. Fucking perfect.
This is how we roll on the hood. Haircut. Step on 2 fucking thousand, motherfucker. Look at that. You're gonna pay $20 fucking dollars. Oh. Fucking perfect! What the fuck? That's perfect!
So we got it on. I don't know. Might be a little crooked, but you can't tell if it's going sideways, right? Another excuse to get pulled over. Boom! What do you think?
I think it looks fresh. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
Well, you fucking did it, mate. Fucking did it. This is what Martin Luther King died for. Yes. So that pretty much wraps it up. The good old banner mod. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely switches up the whole swag of the vehicle. My car probably has turbo now. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Another episode of
Mighty Car Mods.
Mighty Car Mod. Yee.
Starlighty Car Mods.
Yeah, hell yeah, let's get it.